Just follow along with this one here. This is actually a one-step equation, but people see the fractions a lot of times they freak out. So here we go. Just follow along here. So our answer is going to look like this. We're going to have y equals and then whatever the value is. So in this case here, what's being done to y? It's being multiplied by 7/5. So we're going to divide by 7/5, but this is a fraction. So remember, when we divide fractions, instead of multiplying or dividing by a fraction, we multiply by reciprocal. Now in middle school, they called it keep, change, flip. So we're going to change the division to multiplication, and we're going to change it from 7/5. We're going to flip it. Keep, change, flip. There's the flip part. Multiply by reciprocal. So instead of a divide by 7/5, we're multiplying by the reciprocal 5/7. So here we go. Here's what it looks like. There it is to both sides. We got 35/35. That just makes 1. That's the multiply by reciprocal part. It just makes 1y. Boom. There's our 1y. And then 28 times 5/7. So if you remember from the last video, when we multiply a whole number times a fraction, we are going to divide by the denominator. So this is 28 divided by 7. So that makes 4. And then multiply by the numerator times 5. 4 times 5 is 20. And that one's done.